This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for making sure that you support the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Eitada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 2. My brother, how's it?
Yeah, yebo njani?
Siyaphila njani mfethu?
Siyaphila.
Yeah.
Umanqoba amhlungu lo.
Yeah.
Yeah, unabi akayindawo. Unabi akayindawo.
Yeah.
Masikhumbula ukuthi sishayile iPirates izolo ngesibanga sanabi. Why?
Nishani Pirates?
iPirates.
AP Pirates.
Why ngithi sishayile? Cela ungilalele. Why? Le player le number 9 elifuna uFiston Mayele lifuna unabi.
Manje nishaya kanjani Pirates? Yabona manje so
Le player le Chiefs. uFiston Mayele. Fiston Mayele uze uChiefs.
Uyamfuna noma
hayi akimnyaki uze uChiefs uzobona noma kanjani. Yeah.
Okay. Uzizwa kanjani? Soyishayile Pirates ke uzizwa kanjani ngale game namhlanje?
Hayi yabona igame namhlanje yona ibenzima kodwa siyabonga ngoba iMarumo Gallants iyafana neSwallows manje iSwallows omkhaya manje angeke senze lutho siyabonga.
Okay, thanks a lot. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Eitada.